Sarura Kids.
I'm so cold. It's snowing here, friends. And I thought I'd be okay with my warm clothes, but I just can't seem to get warm enough. I'm going to go and visit Kwazi. Maybe it's warmer at her house.
Oh goodness, this beach is just too hot. I need to find some shade to cool down. Hi, Trymore.
Hi, Kwazi. How you doing? It's really hot here.
Oh yes, it is, Trymore. I've been trying to cool down, but it's much too hot here.
I've just come from a very cold place. And today we're learning about hot and cold. So it's funny that it's really hot here.
It really is. Why don't we learn how to say hot and cold in Shona, Trymore? I think our friends would like that.
Would you like that, friends? Cool! Can you say Tonhora? That means cold. And can you say Pisa? Pisa means hot. Come on, Kwazi, let's go find Eddy and see some hot and cold things. Tonhora, Pisa Tonhora, Pisa Tonhora, Tonhora, Pisa Tonhora, Pisa Tonhora, Pisa Tonhora, Pisa. Tonhora, Pisa Tonhora, Pisa Tonhora, Tonhora, Pisa Tonhora, Pisa Tonhora, Pisa Tonhora, Pisa. Yay! Ona svitogatsike iyo. Svitogatsike iyo iri kupisa here kana kuti iri kutonhora. Hongo. Svitogatsike iyo iri kupisa. Ona kunze uko. Kunze uko kuri kupisa here kana kuti kuri kutonhora. Hongo, kunze kuri kutonhora. Ona chikafu chiri kufashaira icho. Chikafu icho chiri kupisa here kana kuti chiri kutonhora. Hongo, chikafu icho chiri kupisa. Ona ice cream iyo. Ice cream iyo iri kupisa here kana kuti iri kutonhora. Hongo, ice cream iyo iri kutonhora. Ona moto uyo. Moto uyo uri kupisa here kana kuti uri kutonhora. Hongo, moto uyo uri kupisa. Ona chando icho. Chando icho chiri kupisa here kana kuti chiri kutonhora. Hongo, chando icho chinotonhora. Pisa.
Tonhora.
Pisa.
Tonhora.
Pisa.
Tonhora.
Pisa.
Tonhora.
Pisa.
Tonhora.
Pisa.
Tonhora.
Hi, Eddy. You'd never believe what we've been doing today.
Ndeipi shamwari dzangu? Manga muchiitei?
Oh, hi, Eddy. We've been learning about hot and cold today.
Kupisa nekutonhora?
Yes, Eddy, hot and cold.
Iribo. Saka madzidzirei nhasi?
Well, Eddy, we learned today about hot and cold places. Trymore was in a really cold place, and then he came to find me.
But you were in a really hot place.
Yes, and then we thought about some hot and cold things while we walked here.
Saka mawana chii chinopisa?
Well, the hot things that we found were hot tea, hot food, and a hot fire.
Inga zvinofadza. Mawana chii chinotonhora?
Well, the cold things that we found were snowy places, ice cream, and ice.
And now we're here where it's nice and cool.
We loved discovering hot and cold things with you today. Why don't you look around today? What hot and cold things can you find?
Maita mauya kuzotamba nesu nhasi shamwari dzedu. Musakanganwe kutiteura pano paSarura Kids nepa YouTube. Tozokuonai vhiki rinouya patinenge tichidzidzira nezvekuyangarara nekunyura.
Floating and sinking.
See you later.
later.